Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. Great article here from Fox Business. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you guys can check it out. So Verizon, they've had enough. They're going to take drastic measures here. Verizon sues Jersey Shore town to install 5G poles along beach with overwhelming opposition from residents. So Verizon Wireless claims Spring Lake Borough in New Jersey unlawfully denied its application to build 5G towers on Ocean Avenue. And then you can see everything here below. They put in the lawsuit on November 8th. And I think they're going to win this. They're going to simply win this. Like was said before, if the FCC has to step in, right, the cities and towns, they have a say. Right. If the small cell looks ugly, they can say, hey, we want it to look nice. We want it to blend in. But if the carriers say they need to add equipment to that area, that means they've calculated this very closely. They know exactly where the usage happens and where this stuff is needed. As I've said plenty of times before, if nothing is needed, the carrier is not going to just spend money just because, right? The reason they're spending money, they're putting in a permit, is because they need infrastructure in that specific area. So I think this lawsuit is in my opinion, is warranted. They need it. They want to put this equipment there. There's probably lots of stuff happening there, lots of maybe concerts, events, lots of people. Trust me, maybe even FWA. Verizon has a reason to spend money to put it there. They're not just going to put stuff just for the fun of it, as I've said before. So we'll keep you guys up to date. I think Verizon wins this lawsuit, and they simply will be able to put their equipment. I can see that. I can see that happening. And if it needs to go to the FCC or even higher, it'll go there. And Verizon will take it there. They seem to have had enough. And if there is no real actual justification, they are going to just start suing these towns and boroughs. And T-Mobile and AT&T are probably going to start doing the same. So I just don't want to single out Verizon. But I think T-Mobile and AT&T will start doing the same. If they can't get proper approvals, and if they can't get, a proper justification or a claim as to why it shouldn't be put or why they may have to move it, they're just going to start suing. And I think that's what they need to do. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, subscribe if you're new. Follow my social media outlets. This is Tyrone with Tech Life. See y'all in the next one. Peace.